How to get karma on Reddit. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you get karma on your Reddit. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Reddit app with your account. Alright, so once you open the app with your account, you'll go search interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on this create post option just at the bottom. And now from here, you can select a community. Okay, so from here, you can select any community from here. And now from here you can add your body text, so from here you can make any captions from here. And after you add title here like picture, video and informative, you can easily make a post on the Reddit. So to get the karma on Reddit, you'll have to just regularly post on Reddit. So if anyone repost or share that post on Reddit, you'll easily get the karma on your Reddit. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.